Hey there, bookworms and knowledge seekers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a fascinating journey through time to uncover the history of online tutoring. It's kind of amazing to think about, right? How did we go from scribbling notes on paper to having an entire classroom at our fingertips, all thanks to the internet? From its humble beginnings as a niche learning method to its current status as a global phenomenon, online tutoring has revolutionized the way we learn and teach. Remember those clunky dial-up modems and pixelated screens? Yeah, we've come a long way since then. So, buckle up as we explore the key milestones and technological advancements that have shaped the online tutoring landscape, from the first tentative emails to the mind-blowing potential of AI-powered learning platforms. Let's dive in. Picture this. It's the early 90s, the internet is still a baby, all dial-up tones and flashing cursors. Online tutoring? Well, it existed, but not as we know it. We're talking about pioneers using email to answer questions, sending digital documents back and forth. Imagine the anticipation of waiting for that reply, hitting refresh on your inbox every 5 minutes. Websites were basic, mostly static pages with information. Think digital pamphlets rather than interactive platforms. But even in this rudimentary form, online tutoring offered a glimmer of what could be accessible learning, breaking down geographical barriers. Remember, this was a time when the idea of video calls and instant messaging felt like something out of Star Trek. But hey, every revolution starts somewhere, right? These early adopters, these digital pen pals of education, they were laying the groundwork for a future where learning could happen anywhere, anytime. It wasn't perfect, but it was a start, a testament to the human desire to connect and learn from one another, even through a screen. And you know what? It worked. People embraced the possibilities, however limited they might seem now. It proved there was a demand for this kind of flexible, individualized learning. And where there's demand, innovation follows, paving the way for the next chapter in our online tutoring saga. As the internet matured, so did online tutoring. Enter the era of learning management systems like Blackboard and Moodle. Remember those? Suddenly, online learning felt more like, well, actual learning. These platforms brought structure to the virtual classroom. We're talking online forums for discussions, places to submit assignments digitally, even the first clunky attempts at online quizzes. It was revolutionary. Okay, maybe not revolutionary, but definitely evolutionary. This era was all about formalizing the online tutoring experience. It wasn't just about one-on-one emails anymore. It was about creating a sense of community, a shared digital space for students and educators to interact. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Bandwidth was still an issue. And let's be honest, the design of some of these early LMS platforms could be, shall we say, less than inspiring. But hey, we were learning, adapting, and figuring it out as we went along. The important thing is, the foundation for the modern online learning experience was being laid, one pixelated step at a time. The mid-2000s saw online tutoring really come into its own with the emergence of dedicated platforms like Tutor.com and Chegg. These weren't just tacked-on features of larger websites. They were built from the ground up for online learning. Remember the first time you had a real-time tutoring session? The magic of seeing your tutor's face, hearing their voice, working through problems together in a digital whiteboard? It was transformative. No more waiting for emails. This was interactive, engaging, and dare we say, fun. These platforms capitalized on advancements in technology. Broadband internet became more common, video conferencing became more reliable, and suddenly, the idea of having a face-to-face conversation with your tutor, even if they were miles away, became a reality. This era was also about specialization. Platforms began to cater to specific subjects and age groups, from elementary school math help to college-level essay editing. Online tutoring was no longer a one-size-fits-all solution. It was about personalized learning tailored to individual needs. The e-learning boom, 2010s. The 2010s witnessed a seismic shift in the educational landscape with the rise of e-learning. MOOCs, or massive open online courses, became all the rage, offering access to high-quality education from top universities to anyone with an internet connection. Platforms like Coursera and Udemy exploded in popularity, offering everything from coding bootcamps to creative writing workshops. Online tutors found themselves at the forefront of this revolution, creating content, leading virtual classrooms, and connecting with students from all corners of the globe. This was the era of video tutorials, interactive exercises, and gamified learning experiences. Remember those late-night study sessions fueled by Coffee and Khan Academy videos? Yeah, we've all been there. The e-learning boom democratized education, making it more accessible and affordable than ever before. It also highlighted the crucial role of online tutors in providing personalized support and guidance in a rapidly evolving digital learning environment. Technological advancements, 2020s. AI and personalized learning. And then came 2020. Remember 2020? The year the world turned upside down. The COVID-19 pandemic forced everyone online, and suddenly online tutoring wasn't just a convenient option, it was a lifeline. But here's the thing. The pandemic didn't just accelerate existing trends, it pushed the boundaries of what was possible in online education. We saw an explosion of innovation, with AI and personalized learning algorithms taking center stage. Imagine a world where your online tutor isn't just a person, but an AI-powered learning companion that adapts to your individual learning style, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and provides personalized feedback in real time. That's the future we're stepping into. From virtual reality field trips to augmented reality labs, the possibilities for immersive and engaging online learning experiences are practically limitless. It's a brave new world out there, and online tutoring is leading the charge. Current trends and future directions. So, where are we now? Online tutoring is more than just a viable alternative to in-person learning. It's an integral part of the educational landscape. We're seeing a surge in hybrid learning models, with online tutoring complementing and enhancing traditional classroom settings. The future? Well, it's brimming with exciting possibilities. Imagine a world where virtual reality allows you to step into a historical event with your tutor, or dissect a virtual frog in an augmented reality lab. The line between the physical and digital classroom is becoming increasingly blurred, and that's pretty darn cool. But even with all these advancements, one thing remains constant: the human element. Technology can build the platforms and provide the tools, but it's the connection between tutor and student, that spark of inspiration, that truly makes learning come alive. So, the next time you log into your favorite online tutoring platform, take a moment to appreciate how far we've come. From those early email exchanges to the AI-powered platforms of today, it's been quite a journey. And the best part? We're just getting started. Thanks for joining the journey. And that brings us to the end of our whirlwind tour through the evolution of online tutoring. We've covered a lot of ground, from those early days of dial-up connections and email exchanges to the mind-blowing potential of AI-powered learning platforms. It's incredible to think about how far we've come in just a few short decades, and it's even more exciting to imagine what the future holds for online learning. One thing's for sure, it's going to be an incredible ride. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.